And today, Colty and I are going to be checking out this magnetic building tile set. And this is no small set. You get 102 pieces.
Yeah!
Is that cool?
Yeah!
Are you super excited to open it up and see what they have inside?
Yeah, I know you can build a castle.
You're going to build a castle?
Yeah, because...
Okay. You get a nice booklet that has a couple suggestions on what you can build. And look at all these tiles. Whoa. Oh, look. You get two big base plates. And look, they stick together really cool.
I know you get tiny plates.
I know. Look at all these squares. And look, you get a bunch of triangles. You get windows.
Also, look what I got.
Oh, you get double windows. There's all kinds of cool stuff. Maybe we should get Carter to come in here and help you build something. But you also get, with this set, a nice storage bag that you can keep them all in as well. They are made out of ABS and they're toxin-free, so they're safe to be played with. And all the edges were rounded, so they're not sharp or going to cause any cuts or injuries. So how cool is that?
Yeah.
So what do you want to build?
A castle first.
A castle? Okay, well, you build a castle on this. And I'll build a castle on this, and we'll see. I'll show you how to do it, okay? So as you can see, this is a very creative set. It's great for STEM development. Another gate, yeah. But it's great for STEM development. It's also great for hand-eye coordination and developing those skills. They're a translucent rainbow color, and they're just really cool. What do you think, Colty?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Say bye.